Dracal Technologies offers measuring instruments that can be easily user-calibrated. To make sure your instrument is calibratable, look for the suffix -cal after the name of the device. The Calibrate buttons should be there by default next to the calibratable channels. In case they do not show, click on the Configuration tab and in the Appearance inset, tick the box Show Calibration Setting buttons. When you have multiple measuring instruments for the same parameter, pick one as your reference and calibrate the other ones. When you click on the Calibrate button, the dialog box Calibrate Channel opens and allows you to perform a 3-point calibration, 0, 1, and 2. The left column is meant to enter the data read by the instrument you want to calibrate. The right column is meant to enter the data read by the reference instrument. It is the corrected data you wish to use. It is fundamental to measure and keep note of the values of the 3 points before there is an active calibration. Every time you click OK in the dialog box, the data is kept. So, measuring other calibration points afterwards could distort the results. The green arrows next to the button means that calibration points were entered and are active. Now, let's visualize the consequence of calibration on the measurement read by the instrument using DracalView. The sudden change observed in the temperature shows that, from now on, what is read by the probe is corrected according to the chosen parameters. In case of uncertainty about one of the calibration points, it is possible to remove it manually so the software will not use it. That is what the red X in the dialog box Calibrate channel is for. In case you prefer not using your calibration, tick the Disable Calibration for this channel box to temporarily cancel it. The arrows then become red, indicating that calibration points were entered yet are unused. You could see on the graph that the reading is back to the initial value of the probe. In another video, we will see the detailed steps and advice to successfully calibrate your Dracal Technologies measuring instruments. See you soon!